Taking the road less traveled was never easy. Thousands aspired, but only few were chosen. For the past 4 years of hurdling challenges and defying the odds, the Lingkod Bayang may adhikaing buksan ang bagong yugto at gabayan ang bagong henerasyon ng may dangal, integridad at walang alinlangan. The Layag Diwa class of 2024 has shown utmost compassion, responsibility, unity, and leadership to the Academy, despite all the pressures that came along with their cadetship. On July 3, 2020, they entered the portal that brought them to a different chapter in their lives. They took oath as government scholars, ready to live a regimented life as preparation of becoming future public safety officers and vanguards of the nation. Today marks the end of their long voyage, sailing smoothly and sailing on the stormy seas. They were tested and challenged individually. From this, they become stronger and united, making them act and lead as one. They had grown and developed into a young and refined individual, ready and equipped to serve God, country, and people. The Layag Diwa class of 2024 has already taken a manifold of becoming public safety officers. Out of a series of refining and transformations, they leave the cadet corps with the essence of what true servitude is all about. For it is not what the cadet takes away from them that counts, but rather what they left behind to carry on with their legacy. These final few steps they are taking have come from what they have conquered. Now, with all pride and honor, marches the 223 strong and brilliant individuals to come forth at the heart of the hallowed ground, which is the witness of all the struggles that they have surpassed.
Ladies and gentlemen, the graduating cadets of the Philippine National Police Academy, the PNPA Layag Diwa class of 2024.
May we request everybody to stand for the interfaith prayer to be led by Police Brigadier General Jason D. Ortizo, Director, Chaplain Service, Police Colonel Zainal Abiden T. Ismael, Acting Chief, Pastoral and Outreach Division, and Police Major Fulgencio M. Canyon Jr., Evangelical Base.
With thankful hearts, let's bow our heads to recognize the sacred presence of the Lord in our midst. Let us pray. Almighty God, we thank and praise you, especially for sending us our beloved President, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., to grace the 45th commencement exercises of PNPA Layag Diwa class of 2024. We beseech you, Lord, to continue to secure, protect, and provide our Commander-in-Chief with all the things he needs and sustain him with your divine providence now and always. Let his team presence inspire our graduates to become the beacon of hope and the epitome of genuine public service.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanirrahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta alayhim. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Almighty Father, we entreat you to endow us with fervor to aspire to become a catalyst for positive change and make a difference. We humbly pray that the knowledge and skills that the graduates learned during their academic and formation years become the foundation on which they would build successful careers ahead of them. We beg you, Lord, to keep our faith in you as we embark on an episode of service at its finest and march forward with dignity, honor, and pride. Grant all that we ask and pray in your most mighty name. Amen.
We may now be seated. For the welcome remarks and presentation of the 223 graduating cadets of the PNPA Layagdiwa class of 2024, may we request Police Major General Samuel C. Nacion, Director, Philippine National Police Academy.
To our distinguished guests, His Excellency Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., sir.
Class of 2024 to be assisted by Honorable Zara Z. Duterte, Honorable Benjamin C. Abalos Jr., Police General Romel Francisco D. Marbil, and Police Major General Samuel C. Nacion.
Police Cadet Maria Camille Cabungcal Cabasis, Lian, Batangas. May we request His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President, Republic of the Philippines, to award the Presidential Kampilan to Police Cadet Cabasis for graduating number 1 in the graduation final merit roll of PNPA Layagdiwa class of 2024. May we request Police General Romel Francisco D. Marbil, Chief Philippine National Police, to award the Chief PNP Kampilan to Police Cadet Cabasis for obtaining the highest grade among the graduating cadets of PNP Layagdiwa class of 2024, joining the Philippine National Police. May we request the Director, Police Major General Samuel C. Nacion, to present the Academic Leadership Award to Police Cadet Cabasis. May we request Police Brigadier General Arnold P. Argente, Dean of Academics, Philippine National Police Academy, to present a Special Academic Award to Police Cadet Cabasis for Best in Laws and Jurisprudence. Police Cadet Cabasis will also receive the Best in Police Administration Award. The Director will present the Plaque of Merit to Police Cadet Cabasis for graduating number 2. Jail Cadet Jomar Beruela Saldavia, Mutya, Zamboanga del Norte. May we request Honorable Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President, Republic of the Philippines, to award the Vice Presidential Kampilan to Jail Cadet Saldavia for graduating number 2 in the graduation final merit roll of PNPA Layagdiwa class of 2024. May we request Jail Director Ruel S. Rivera, Chief Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, to award the Chief BJMP Kampilan to Jail Cadet Saldavia for obtaining the highest grade among the graduating cadets of PNPA Layagdiwa class of 2024, joining the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. May we request the Dean of Academics to present a Special Academic Award to Jail Cadet Saldavia for Best in Public Safety Administration. The Director will present a Plaque of Merit to Jail Cadet Saldavia for graduating number 2. Police Cadet Vince Jamsid Sulaiman sa PE, Pasunanca, Zamboanga City. May we request Honorable Benjamin C. Abalos Jr., Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, to award the SILG Campilan to Police Cadet sa PE for graduating number 3 in the graduation final merit roll of PNP Layagdiwa class of 2024. The Director will present the plaque of merit to Police Cadet sa PE for graduating number 3. Police Cadet Mark Ferd Aninyon Barte, Kabasalan, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Our Director will present the plaque of merit to Police Cadet Barte for graduating number 4. Police Cadet Mark Andrew Rigala Peña, City of Manila. May we request the Dean of Academics to award a Special Academic Award to Police Cadet Peña for Best in Forensic Science. The Director, PNPA, will also present the plaque of merit to Police Cadet Peña for graduating number 5.
Fire Cadet Mary Ranely Ladrilo Salga, Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. May we request Fire Director Louis S. Buracan, Chief, Bureau of Fire Protection, to award the Chief BFP Campilan to Fire Cadet Salga for obtaining the highest grade among the graduating cadets of PNP Layagdiwa class of 2024, joining the Bureau of Fire Protection. Director PNPA will present the plaque of merit to Fire Cadet Salga for graduating number 6. Fire Cadet Brenna May Stephanie Nacional, Calbiga, Samar. Director PNPA will present a plaque of merit to Fire Cadet Nacional for graduating number 7. Police Cadet Bernard Carlos Dawayan, Sabangan, Mountain Province. Director PNPA will present the plaque of merit to Police Cadet Dawayan for graduating number 8. Police Cadet John Raid Cabatanya Caballero, San Carlos, Negros Occidental. Director PNPA will present a plaque of merit to Police Cadet Caballero for graduating number 9. Police Cadet Emerson Liwag Mallorca, Caloocan City. Director PNPA will present a plaque of merit to Police Cadet Mallorca for graduating number 10.
Police Cadet Johnny Boy Yugyog Binwag, Hunduan, Ifugao. Fire Cadet Dean Mark Serapi Ilumin, San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Police Cadet Janelle Nina Binauhan Armoja, Malalag, Davao del Sur. Police Cadet Cleo Jean Ginobiagon Pia, Cebu City. Police Cadet Mary Joy Cabrera Soriano, Matalam, North Cotabato. Fire Cadet Ken Daniel Bungabong Pintuan, Tagum City, Davao del Norte. Police Cadet Andrew Cyrus de los Reyes Parafina, Unisan, Quezon Province. Jail Cadet Jeric Tijano Santos, Baguio City. Police Cadet Catherine Morales Griba, Daraga, Albay. Police Cadet Marvin Jordan Obilio Laroya, Tubao, La Union. Jail Cadet Jesser Clint Palagok Pagi, Bauco, Mountain Province. Police Cadet John Wilfred Montenegro Barte, Dato din Sinsuat, Maguindanao. Police Cadet Florence Donguines Garhas, Sara, Iloilo. Police Cadet Vanessa Dulay Caberto, Santiago City, Isabela. Police Cadet Mary CJ Egos Purgatorio, Davao City. Police Cadet Criza Marie Araw Bunagan, Peña Blanca, Cagayan. Police Cadet Lot Daniel Tordesillo Aumentado, Agdangan, Quezon Province.
Police Cadet Jeremy Valens Bukaw Esteban, Tabuk City, Kalinga. Jail Cadet Esteban Tugaw Sagibo Jr., Tabuk City, Kalinga. Police Cadet Jason Milar Aparisi, Cordova, Cebu. Police Cadet Carlo Ronel Tagarda Espinosa, Damulog, Bukidnon. Police Cadet Michael Bico Quidor, San Juan, Batangas. Police Cadet Jessie Ann Nerida Selvio, Dulag, Leyte. May we request the Dean of Academics to present a special academic award to Police Cadet Selvio for Best in Thesis. Police Cadet Jamie Fatima Eridawang Cao, Amadeo, Cavite. Police Cadet Chantal Balao Ginid, La Trinidad, Benguet. Police Cadet Ranger Usim Salahudin, Bonggao, Tawi-Tawi. Police Cadet Eileen Resma Santos, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. Police Cadet Raven Jave Subing-Subing Maligaya, Davao City. Police Cadet May Shara Lian Sarmiento Litas, San Francisco, Quezon Province. Police Cadet Gerald Casing Elia, Lukban, Quezon Province. Police Cadet E.C. Jaber Aguilon Sandayan, Baganga, Davao Oriental. Police Cadet Jeremy Matthew Pagtalunan Chua, Quezon City. Police Cadet Mark Jordan Macarubo Martinez, Santa Teresita, Cagayan Valley. May we request Director PNPA to present a leadership kampilan to Police Cadet Martinez for having demonstrated superior qualities in a position of major responsibility as Cadet First Captain. Police Cadet Ricardo Ventura Rosal Jr., Bagao City, Negros Occidental. Police Cadet Jared Neil Bawian Pagigan, Bontoc, Mountain Province. Police Cadet James Carlo Gumagay Rodriguez, Argao, Cebu. Jail Cadet Ramil Corsino Torres Jr., Bayumbong, Nueva Vizcaya. Police Cadet Kathleen Belguera Palmes, Pasig City, Iloilo. Fire Cadet Jemary Guillermo Taperu, Tuguegarao City, Cagayan. Police Cadet Rahimson Ricaplaza Bahang, San Remigio, Cebu.
Fire Cadet John McNeil Quinaso Labuen, Tacorong City, Sultan Kudarat. Police Cadet Hermadel Omalio Caluza, Aritao, Nueva Vizcaya. Police Cadet Jangi Manganip Banawag, Tabuk City, Kalinga. Police Cadet Sheena de Guzman Moreno, Marilao, Bulacan. Police Cadet Calvin Clean Ayuban Handog, Gindulman, Bohol. Police Cadet Maria Teresa Pelino de la Cruz, Cananga, Leyte. Police Cadet Lennox Lloyd Trajico Bacal, Mansalay, Oriental, Mindoro. Police Cadet Florin Lester Linaza Gilo, Butuan City, Agusan del Norte. Police Cadet Rocky Jim Lumiwan Nachima, Mayuyaw, Ifugao. Police Cadet Dafel Cabigas Sagarino, President Carlos P. Garcia, Bohol. Police Cadet Justin Sarmiento, Tanawan City, Batangas. Police Cadet Herminio Subong Sagcal Jr., Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. May we request the Dean of Academics to present a Special Academic Award to Police Cadet Sagdal for Best in CCs. Police Cadet Ayana Alexi Kujama Tokfemia, Arteche, Eastern Samar. Police Cadet Eliazar Garcia Malacas, Gloria, Oriental, Mindoro. Police Cadet Gerald Loveres Miralles, Legazpi City, Albay. Police Cadet Neil Edgar Akma Alvarez, Maramag, Bukidnon. Police Cadet Jason Gabral Banal, San Luis, Aurora. May we request Attorney Alston Kevin A. Anarna, Mayor of Silang, Cavite, to present the athletic kampilan to Police Cadet Banal. Police Cadet Jemima Undog Makaantal, Zamboanga City. Police Cadet Christine Joy Marie Balanay Pimentel, Dapitan City, Zamboanga del Norte. Police Cadet Don Alfred Ominga Gamueda, Santol, La Union. Jail Cadet Eliza K. Navarro Limosnero, Pulumulok, South Cotabato. Police Cadet Joseph Claudius Ocon Balincena, Baybay City, Leyte. Police Cadet Jomar Cordeta Codilla, Kabukgayan, Biliran.
Police Cadet Regine Cathy Hermoso, Lagawe, Ifugao. Police Cadet Sean Bullet Robert Ocampo Garcia, Pasig City. Police Cadet Herman Dinaman Oyagon, Banawe, Ifugao. Police Cadet Emmanuel John Martirez Aranya, Legazpi City, Albay. Police Cadet Chester John Japolet Keb, Bayog, Zamboanga del Sur. Police Cadet Precious Lynette Co-op Culos, Bauco, Mountain Province. Police Cadet Princess Inocencio Agabin, Rapu-Rapu, Albay. Police Cadet Villy Joe Kawili Rodriguez, Lingayen, Pangasinan. Police Cadet Trisha May Tolenada Guzman, La Trinidad, Benguet. May we request Secretary Roman A. Felix, Presidential Advisor on Military and Police Affairs, to present the Servant Leadership Award to Police Cadet Guzman. Police Cadet Ravin Carlos Astudillo Linaw, Alabel, Sarangani. Police Cadet Clyde Lyndon Conuk Goyo, Bontoc, Mountain Province. Police Cadet Lira Tre Hoson Sumastre, Balingasag, Misamis Oriental. Police Cadet Andrew Daniel Flores Villapando, Makati City. Police Cadet Jerome Eguera Cudias, Siato, Negros Oriental. Police Cadet Lawrence Misa Cabrera, Zamboanga City. Police Cadet Sanday Smugaw Fukleg, Bontoc, Mountain Province. Police Cadet Frederick Herman Israel Manasis Galang, Tarlac City. Police Cadet Patrick Generoso Malaluan Gascon, Coronadal City, South Cotabato. Fire Cadet Precious Marciano Requilme Cortez, Osamis City, Misamis Occidental. Police Cadet Abdullah Romapa Tucodan, Iligan City, Lanao del Norte. Police Cadet Realin Canabang Imperial, Tanudan, Kalinga. Police Cadet Jomari Madueng Gomintong, Mankayan, Benguet. Jail Cadet Ariston Arcilia Gonzalez, Naga City, Camarines Sur. Police Cadet Dorothy May Soriano Castillo, Aglipay, Quirino. Police Cadet Carl Justin Luna Madrilejos, Alabat, Quezon Province. Police Cadet Everick Rain Baring Dable, Lebac, Sultan Kudarat.
Police Cadet Ronnie Lumagbas Culandog, San Mateo, Rizal. Police Cadet Kenneth Christopher Biagan Kawi, Basao, Mountain Province. Police Cadet Joseph Lister Casabal Lidem, Tanawan City, Batangas. Police Cadet Ridge Kent Magwandaka, Malapatan, Sarangani. Police Cadet Lemar Lawagay Paklos, Kapangan, Benguet. Police Cadet Ayman Mambuay Dia, Marawi City, Lanao del Sur. Police Cadet Mark Ray Ibanez Andoyo, Daram, Samar. May we request the Dean of Academics to present a Special Academic Award to Police Cadet Andoyo for Best in Thesis. Jail Cadet Mark Mendel Clanor Cueto, Catanawan, Quezon Province. Police Cadet Cyril Ed Balogan Gutierrez, Bayumbong, Nueva Vizcaya. Police Cadet Leonardo Adrian Pion Antonio, San Pedro, Laguna. Police Cadet Eliseo Lunas Villar Jr. I, Tabaco City, Albay. Police Cadet Rex Ubhaan Montero Jr., Sibalong, Antique. Police Cadet Dave Falansi Banganan, Buntok, Mountain Province. May we request the Dean of Academics to present a Special Academic Award to Police Cadet Banganan for Best in Thesis. Police Cadet Lloyd Sulad Pagulayan, Bacoor City, Cavite. Police Cadet Rovic Makaalay Katunggal, Malasiki, Pangasinan. Jail Cadet Mark Angelo Sales Bucayo, Igig, Cagayan. Police Cadet Luigi Dacubor Fabela, Claveria, Misamis Oriental. Police Cadet Ronil Cloyd Segara Bontor, Cantilan, Surigao del Sur. Police Cadet Kaiser Paul Adviento Rosalin, Urdaneta City, Pangasinan. Police Cadet Salacodin Campilan Bashir, Sultan Naga de Maporo, Lanao del Norte. Police Cadet Adrian Ivan Morado Tindoy, Butuan City. Police Cadet Jake Anthony Doctora Zamora, Dumangas, Iloilo. Police Cadet Jesse Vorha Limana Jr., Davao City. Police Cadet Adrian Yagin Baligon, Enrile, Cagayan.
Police Cadet Butros Gali Salem Buluan, Timataling, Zamboanga del Sur. Police Cadet Edwin Mikwa Hinotan Jr., Dina, Zamboanga del Sur. Police Cadet Richard de la Cruz Lim Jr., Parang, Maguindanao del Norte. Police Cadet Emil James Bala Natividad, Pura, Tarlac. Police Cadet Joshua Muñoz Arbilo, Calawan, Laguna. Jail Cadet Maverick Galetes Begseng, Mankayan, Benguet. Police Cadet Carl Lloyd Tumulak Mupas, City of Manila. Police Cadet Selwyn Ryan Doloho Pedregosa, General Santos City. Police Cadet Mac Julian Luta Misahon, Mati City, Davao Oriental. Police Cadet Keith Pelebelo Valdez, Cagayan de Oro City. Police Cadet Bern Harry Milian Masadao, Luba, Abra. Police Cadet Eric Gonzalez Canama, Zamboanga City. Police Cadet Harvey Borja Dalagan, Maragusan, Davao de Oro. Police Cadet Vince Jason Tague Defensor, Davao City. Police Cadet DJ Dalatin Canindo, Alabel, Sarangani. Police Cadet Christopher Balza Ferrer, City of Manila. Fire Cadet Isaiah Ramona Tokyad, Baguio City. Police Cadet John Kenneth Guerrero Javier, San Juan, Batangas. Police Cadet James Paul Garrido Abellera, Aringay, La Union. Police Cadet John Michael Mendoza Manalo, Culianan, Zamboanga City. Police Cadet Kent Gabriel Paitan Enanoria, Lala, Lanao del Norte. Fire Cadet Jasper Ayan Arzaga Datiles, Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Police Cadet Conan Atilano Gadayan, Isabela City, Basilan. Police Cadet Brent Ira Hinrich Linda Valdesco, Davao City. Police Cadet Jubilin Panangon Gabino, Aguinaldo, Ifugao. Police Cadet Nor Hussein de Campong Rajamoda, Marawi City, Lanao del Sur. Police Cadet Rizaldi Santos Bilguera, Pasig City.
Police Cadet Ralden Habaradas Gumacal, Iloilo City. May we request Attorney Alberto A. Bernardo, Vice Chairman and Executive Officer, Napolcom Police Commission, to present the Napolcom Kampilan to Police Cadet Gumacal for being the Class President of PNP Leg Diwa Class of 2024. Jail Cadet Serwin Bukid Kerubin, Taguig City. Police Cadet Christian Jeros Porlares Ricalde, Calbayog City, Samar. Police Cadet Lear Christian Oreta Garcia, Quezon City. Police Cadet John McRainier Alcaide Julio, Baler, Aurora. Police Cadet Khalid Adi Makasasa, Barira, Maguindanao del Norte. Police Cadet Jamaica Sebastian Waton, Bilar, Bohol. Police Cadet Mark Rohel Peña Evangelista, Tabuk City, Kalinga. Police Cadet Ralph Lawrence Palingob Shoma, Cagayan de Oro City. Police Cadet Jetro Cabaygalo, Baguio City. Police Cadet Lyndon Rojas Rubantes, Libho, Dinagat Island. Police Cadet Junjea Camille Baring Amparo, Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Police Cadet Ray Alfred Bolo Daño, Cebu City. Police Cadet Mar Arki Bibonia Hermosura, Taguig City. Police Cadet Sharman Khan Sabtulak Karanain, Bungaw, Tawi-Tawi. Police Cadet Mark Daniel Vergara Paras, Baguio City. Police Cadet Kizea Cese Veruela, Bahud, Masbate. Police Cadet Marco Dolarza Tungkul, Enrile, Cagayan Valley. Police Cadet Paulo Miguel Silvela Mercado, Tupi, South Cotabato. Police Cadet Gabriel Miguel Serrano, Valenzuela City. Police Cadet Charles Jacob Montilla Yamson, Medellin, Cebu. Fire Cadet Cathy Ann Domling Longa, Baguio City. Police Cadet Ives John Ortega Galvez, Cainta, Rizal. Police Cadet Ryan Aureliana Velasquez, Buena Vista, Quezon Province. Police Cadet Cherry Padsingan Kuyan, Kibungan, Benguet. Police Cadet Madeline Butil Danglay, Tuba, Benguet.
Police Cadet John Paulo Bulaong Dismaya, Giginto, Bulacan. Police Cadet Gabriel Gilmer Valentino Manguera, Buak, Mountain Province. Police Cadet Jose Martin Kyle Espiritu Ancheta, Alcala, Pangasinan. Police Cadet John Simon Joaquin Salvani, Silang, Cavite. Police Cadet Angelo Adelbert Trinidad Simeon, General Mamerto Natividad, Nueva Ecija. Police Cadet Irvin John Bugnay Gabol, Baguio City. Police Cadet Ahmed Shafril Sayari Sahidula, Tungkil, Sulu. Jail Cadet Lucky Christian Timoso Tabil, Tuguegarao City, Cagayan. Police Cadet Ronel Abaya Concepcion, Gimba, Nueva Ecija. Police Cadet Paulo Kyle Tibo Capustol, Santa Teresita, Cagayan. Police Cadet Usama Macmodi Mapuro, Sultan Naga di Mapuro, Lanao del Norte. Fire Cadet Michelle Jade Hagmis Kutat, Aburlan, Palawan. Fire Cadet Zachary Mercado Ramos, Bongabong, Oriental, Mindoro. Police Cadet Brent Lapia Majaco II, Mountain Province. Police Cadet Franz Cheska Panahon San Gabriel, San Leonardo, Nueva Ecija. Police Cadet Luke Matthew Misillones Baring, Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur. Police Cadet Abdul Fatah Ismael Pansar, Putig, Lanao del Sur. Police Cadet Hazedin Pangilan Adil, Cotabato City. Police Cadet Aidan Can Paler Fabricante, Iligan City, Lanao del Norte. Police Cadet Daryl Edward Chavez Asho, Quezon City. Police Cadet Arnie John Saknahon sa Panghari, Valencia City, Bukidnon. Police Cadet Marnilio Kamaka Malilin, Tuguegarao City. Police Cadet Lawrence Gabriel Basada Gadjola, Borongan City, Eastern Samar. Police Cadet Eric E.J. Ramirez Lee, Lahug, Cebu City. Police Cadet Remar Vincent Tagalimot Malapad, Tagaluan, Misamis Oriental. Police Cadet John Ryan Balolong Pasawa, Taguig City. Police Cadet Francis Paul Padol Cabaltera, Cananga, Leyte. Police Cadet Samuel Yadaw Camalya, City of Manila. Police Cadet Stephen Marshall Bangayan, Zamboanga City. Police Cadet Jesse Lloyd Navarro Almosa, Lawag City, Ilocos Norte.
Police Cadet Jekyll Jul Darawi Sangkula, Hulo, Sulu. Police Cadet Demler Sano Alban, Bokod, Benguet. Police Cadet Kurt Gengan Kabluyen, Bontok, Mountain Province. May we request the Dean of Academics to present a special academic award to Police Cadet Kabluyen for Best in Thesis. Police Cadet Art Lawrence Floresca Francisco, San Jacinto, Pangasinan. May we request Attorney Cheloy E. Velicaya Garafil, Secretary, Presidential Communications Office, to present the Journalism Kampilan to Police Cadet Francisco. Police Cadet Kent Jericho Diaz Belardo, General Santos City. Police Cadet William Daines Ordoño Libed, Sodipen, La Union. Police Cadet Noe Aidala de los Santos, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Morrison de la Cruz Funestas, Bagak, Bataan. Police Cadet Christian Pete Sas Lopez, Santa Josefa, Agusan del Sur. Police Cadet John Carl Lorenzo Dalire, Lawag City, Ilocos Norte. Police Cadet Muhammad Hussein Barabadan Bazar, Cagayan de Oro City. Police Cadet Kevin Ray Corpus Liwang, Quirino Province. Police Cadet John Michael Policarpio Ipong, Talisay City, Cebu. Police Cadet Shara Denise Kai Galbanyo, Lucena City, Quezon Province. Police Cadet Herbert Palma Olitokit, Naga City, Camarines Sur. Police Cadet Raymark Belmi Kagiwa, Taguig City. And the greatest of all time, Police Cadet Moses Vides Medina, Etchage, Isabela. Thank you, Mr. President, and congratulations to our 223 graduates. We may now be seated.
Ladies and gentlemen, Police Cadet Maria Camille Cabungcal Cabases will deliver her valedictory address.
It is now our turn to serve and to give back to the Filipino people. To our guest of honor and speaker, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., sir. To the officials of the government, to everyone present, and to the Corps of Cadets, Philippine National Police. A pleasant and rewarding morning to all of us. Magtitinda ng isda, construction worker, magsasaka, nasunugan ng bahay, nawalan ng mga mahal sa buhay. Behind the uniforms that we wear, behind the titles that we have, there come different stories that pushed us to where we are today. Legends are born in the valley of struggles. Living in this motto, this cadets in front of you has endured several challenges and has achieved triumphs as well over the past 4 years. It all started with a dream. When I was a college student, I sold siopaw in order to help with my expenses. I was also a part-time working student at a photocopy center inside our campus. Just like my classmates, life was not easy for me. We have untold stories that made us stronger, which gives us reason to continue despite the rigors we had experienced. Why am I saying this? This is to inspire every Filipino youth, telling that with hard work and perseverance, nothing can hinder us in achieving success. I decided to join the Long Maroon Line to challenge myself and to make a positive impact to the country. Aspirations that have now bloomed into achievements beyond measure. Cadetship was never easy. Mga gabing walang tulog, mga daing na hindi maaaring ilabas, mga oras na nawalan ng mahal sa buhay, ngunit hindi makauwi sa bahay. Mga patak ng dugo at luha na tila bumasa sa lupa. Mga natuyong pawis sa aming mga muka. Ito ay parte lamang ng 4 na taon na aming pinagdaanan. Bahagi ng paghubog sa amin sa loob ng akademya. We live by the principle of MOB, mind over body. Hindi porket masakit ay susuko ka na. Hindi porket mahirap ay titigil ka na sa pag-abot ng iyong mga pangarap. Isipin mo na kaya mo at magagawa mo ito. Moreover, the global pandemic tested our resilience like never before. We took the road less traveled with a more challenging pace, but we remained unshaken. Yes, we marched, ran, and endured everything behind our face masks. Our parents were not even here to witness our reception, incorporation, and recognition rites. It became one of the class motivations. We instilled in our minds the words, balang araw mapapapasok din namin ang aming mga magulang sa akademya at ito ay ang araw ng pagtatapos kung kaya't kailangan naming magtapos. Throughout our time in the academy, we were molded into future leaders, upholding the principles of justice, integrity, and service. We have lived in an environment where adherence to the honor code and honor system was of supreme importance. It is with faith in God's perfect plan that we overcame the rigors of cadetship. I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who helped in making this achievement possible. On behalf of the proud Layagdiwa class of 2024, I humbly offer this success to the Almighty Father, whose grace has illuminated our way forward. In addition, our sincerest thanks for the memories etched in our hearts and minds brought by our comrades, late Cadet Alvarado, late Cadet Papa, and late Cadet Magsayo. To our alma mater, the Philippine National Police Academy, our deepest gratitude for instilling in us the highest standard of discipline among all others, making us refined individuals of the nation. At sa nagbigay sa akin ng inspirasyon upang magpatuloy sa mga hamon ng buhay, ang aking pamilya, Mama Sena, Tatay Edwin, mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Tito Greg, Jelay, at MJ, at sa mga minamahal naming magulang, buong puso kaming nagpapasalamat sa inyong mga panalangin. Malayo man kami sa inyo, naging malaking bahagi kayo ng tagumpay na ito. Ang aming diploma, ang aming magiging regalo, kapalit ng lahat ng paghihirap at sakripisyo, upang kami ay mapalaki ninyo ng maayos at ng may takot sa Diyos. At sa aming Pangulo, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., Sir, maraming salamat po sapagkat binigyan nyo kami ng pagkakataon na patunayan na kaming mga kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Hindi po namin kayo bibiguin sapagkat hinubog kami ng tamang edukasyon at handa na po kaming maglingkod sa bansang Pilipinas. at sa buong sambayanang Pilipino. Ang tagumpay na ito ay dahil sa inyo at para sa inyo. To my classmates, mga bok, the time has come. Ang dating magtitinda ng isda, ang dating magsasaka, ang dating construction worker, kahit nasunugan ng bahay, kahit nawala ng mahal sa buhay, tayong lahat ngayon ay maituturing ng mga lingkod ng bayan. To my underclassmen, continue to be the cream of the crop. Huwag ninyo kaming pantayan, sa halip kami inyong lagpasan. At para sa mga mamamayang Pilipino, aking mga kaklase, pugay kamay na. Ako po, kasama ang aking mga kaklase, ay handa nang maglingkod sa lahing kayumanggi ng may dangal, integridad at walang alinlangan. Kung dati kami binansagang mga iskolar para sa bayan, ngayon, panahon na para sa serbisyong nararapat para sa bayan. Baba kamay na. Muli, maraming salamat at mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you, ma'am.
Min C. Abalos Jr., Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, will
9 graduates of the Layag Diwa class of 2024 will now form the Long Maroon Line. They stood strong amidst the trials and adversities that confront them in the 4 years of their cadetship. Leaving their comfort zones, they successfully hurdled the test and overcome the struggles of physical transition from civilian to a refined and dashing gentlemen and women of the Cadet Corps Philippine National Police. These long maroon lines signifies their development after experiencing pains of change, familiarized to courage, flexible to changes, and embracing the noble test to face the ever-demanding and challenging life of a public safety officer, and to reach the apex of professionalization in law enforcement. From these young men and women shall emerge leaders of the nation. They shall serve and protect the Filipino people, living up to what they are called, mga iskolar para sa bayan. This formation entails the passage of rights from being a cadet to new lieutenants and inspectors of the Tri Bureau, ready and primed to take charge, the challenge of new breed of officers of the Philippine National Police, Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, and the Bureau of Fire Protection. As they leave the portals of the Academy, the influence, encouragement, and value they have sought to the underclassmen will echo for eternity. Their legacy of dedication and excellence will be handed over to their successors. May they never forget what the institution instilled in each one of them. May these long maroon lines serve as their bond and unity, as a class, firm, unbreakable, and stand as one despite being assigned to different parts of the country. The graduates of the Layag Diwa class of 2024 are now ready to face the real McCoy, that will test their leadership and level of determination, no matter what circumstances may come against them. They will stand upright with head held high, confident to serve the nation, as they are all equipped with skills, develop leadership and character, and eternally guided by the core values of the Academy, the justice, integrity, and service.
3 cheers for those who are about to leave us. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! 3 cheers for those who will be left behind. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
And now, the Pass on Review. May we request our guest of honor and speaker, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President, Republic of the Philippines, to acknowledge the troop.
Mahal na Pangulo, handa na ang panaw para sa pasamasid. Palpras, balikod. Go! Sid! Pangkat pa kanon! Apino, pasulong. God!
Under the present setup, the Philippine National Police Academy is envisioned to primarily develop and undertake professional, specialized, and technological education in public safety and social defense, considering its role as the primary establishments of the police, fire, and jail services. The Academy further aims to promote continuous research, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in its areas of specialization.
In line with its mission of developing
No, pasulong. Pad! Pit! Kalawa! No! Pit! Kalawa!
Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates of the PNPA Layagdiwa class of 2024. The traditional showing of Shakun signifies the cadet success over hundreds of struggles they hurdled in the 4 years of their cadetship. This also signifies their acceptance of the newly designated task to protect and to serve the Filipino people. And that concludes the 45th PNPA commencement exercises of the Layagdiwa class of 2024 with the theme, Hinubog ng tamang edukasyon at pagsasanay upang harapin ang hamon ng bagong Pilipinas. Together with our guest of honor and speaker, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President, Republic of the Philippines. The Director, Philippine National Police Academy, Police Major General Samuel C. Nacion, the PNPA Command